Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Shopify two-factor authentication step by step clearly. Open your Shopify admin dashboard. Log in with your username and password. Once you're on the main page, click on your account name located in the top right corner. Select account from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the security section. Look for the option labeled two-step authentication. Click on Enable Two-Step Authentication. You will be prompted to enter your password again for verification. After verifying your password, choose your preferred method for two-factor authentication. You can select either an authentication app, such as Google Authenticator, or receive SMS codes. If you choose to use an app, download and open the app on your mobile device. Follow the instructions to scan the QR code displayed on your Shopify screen. Once scanned, the app will generate a verification code. Enter the code from the app back into the Shopify prompt. If you selected SMS, enter your mobile phone number and click Send Code. Check your phone for the SMS code and enter it into the designated field. Once the code is verified, two-factor authentication will be enabled. You can review your security settings at any time by returning to the security section. To ensure everything works, log out of your account and try logging back in. You should now be prompted to enter a code from your chosen two-factor method. Complete this to access your account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.